My name is Brett, and I'm going to show you how to make shoppable AI content as a TikTok Shop affiliate. This is a 3-step process, and it's very easy, and it starts with Callow data. You should definitely invest in a plan for Callow data because this is by far, in my opinion, the best product research tool for TikTok Shop. So we're just going to click product. Immediately, I'm going to change it from 30-day to yesterday, and then I'm going to go down here to revenue growth rate, and I'm going to do a minimum of 100, and then we're going to go to creator number. Some people would say 200 is okay, but I don't want no more than 100 creators, considering it was literally yesterday. Then we hit submit. Okay, and this is where it gets good. I want you to take a close look at all these products right here. They're all on upward swings from yesterday. So this filter we just did, you're finding all the products that went crazy yesterday and that don't have that many creators. So what does this mean for you? These products are just now going up. When it comes to AI content, I'm going to tell you some things a lot of the gurus wouldn't tell you, things that you need to look out for when doing AI content. So like this right here, it's going to be hard to do AI content with that. Why? Because we have to be very precautious about violations on TikTok. We want our video to look so real that it's undeniable. In order to do that, we need a very good product picture. We're going to talk about this litter box right here. Apparently this one's starting to go crazy. All you have to do, click on the product picture. We're just going to snag a few of these product pictures, but I think I like the first product picture, but we're going to mess with a few and I'm going to show you some really cool crap. I'm going to personally show you why you need a Mac computer for this, because now that cool picture that we just got, yeah, we're just gonna airdrop this directly to our MacBook, and voila, we're gonna hop on our phone, go to photo room. If you guys aren't hip to photo room, then definitely get hip because this is gonna be a lifesaver. Next, we're gonna just find the product. Boom, just like that. Photo room's gonna crop the whole background and everything. Doesn't matter that much, but I always just pick transparent, and then you just hit save. It's gonna save it to your camera roll. That photo you just airdropped to your computer is literally just in your downloads. So next, you're just gonna go to Kling AI. This is, in my opinion, the best software for shoppable AI videos. Over here, you're just gonna go to Omni. Down here, it gives you an option if you want to attach an image. So we're just gonna attach that image that we just downloaded via airdrop. These settings are so important. We really don't need this. This is only gonna use more coins. If you're not familiar how Kling AI works, it's literally a coin-based system. This is a subscription that you're gonna want to pay for, but now we need a good prompt. This is where you need to play around a little bit to make sure you're getting your prompts perfect every time. Mine's still not perfect every time because products change, so I might have to make some tweaks here or there. I personally just go to my notes and I have this prompt right here that I can modify, and then we're just gonna go back, and then it already adds the image because we attached one, and then on Mac, Command V is paste. So we got our prompt. We're just gonna do a quick run through. You don't even need 1080p. I'm dead serious. You will print with 720 because when you do 1080p, TikTok's gonna compress your video anyway, and we're doing AI content. AI content produces content better than any human can make. So if you ask me, that makes 720p okay, and it's gonna save you some coins. I only do for 5 seconds, and I'll tell you my sauce why. So we want to select 9:16 for TikTok, kind of displays it there, and then output. It's literally how many variations you want. When you're testing your prompts, you can do 4 variations, so you can start refining and tweaking it, but if obviously it's gonna use more coins. So you just hit generate here, and then once you hit generate, it's gonna start loading this. Let's make the screen big, and boom, would you look at that? We have our product video. This looks really good, and honestly, just for a better look, yeah, this looks really good. And now we just go to CapCut. And once you're in CapCut, you're just gonna import the file, and there's really not even that many steps to this. The hardest part is getting the AI to cooperate, and that's not even that hard. Once you have it in CapCut, you're just gonna hit this plus sign to pull it up in the track. I usually just hit it twice, honestly, and then I go down to the second one. This is just a quick motion that I do. I'll kind of just like speed this up a little bit, and then I'll go down here to hit reverse, and it's gonna reverse that clip. Now I try to get my videos down as close to 7 seconds as possible, just to make this very short but able to get to the point, right? So there's that, and then let's just speed this up just a little bit. Okay, a little too much sauce, so I'll probably just drag it out a little bit. And now we have our clip. So I'm gonna show you this real quick. Look at how clean this is, and it literally looks like a human's recording this, and then we just reversed it. Boom, that's it. And now that we have the clip done, we're good to just export. Now keep in mind, this is important. You want to know your specifics, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, ask ChatGPT. Literally just take a screenshot of this screen and send it to ChatGPT, tell him like what computer you have and stuff like that, all the specifics that he may want to know, and hit export. Boom. Cool, now we're out of CapCut. What am I gonna do next? Hit share and then go to airdrop, and I'm gonna send it right back to my phone. Then it's gonna take a second to load, and just like that, it's like magic. I'm gonna go to my TikTok page, then I'm gonna hit the plus sign. I'm gonna load this thing into my drafts. Literally 7 seconds long.
You can now grab this on a major double discount.
And look at that. A lot of times TikTok will just throw a voiceover
just tap the orange cart, that'll unlock your flash sale. You can now grab this on a just tap the orange cart.
It's like, this is literally our
You can now grab
video.
this on a major double discount
Video's
below,
clean.
and that'll
What can they
unlock
complain
your
about?
flash.
If you want more advanced help, I am going to be rolling out a mentorship where I can help people. Done over 6 figures on TikTok Shop, and I'm here to help people make money. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that. Till next time, peace.